Hi, I'm Ved Prasad, and this is my project for Hack the Break 2023, hosted by BCIT. Now, this year's theme was to address the challenging job market, and that's why I've built this tool called Job Explorer, which lets you input your desired role or occupation, and as well as the city or location you want to work in. And what it does is it outputs this entire list that is compiled from different websites of job openings that match that description. And it provides key details of each of the jobs as well as links leading to the actual job listings. Now, the reason I thought that this is actually useful and this solves a problem is because recently in the technology field, there's been a lot of chaos. People have been getting laid off, people have been getting fired, and I thought that when looking for a job, um, actually finding job openings shouldn't add to the stress that people are already under when it comes to preparing for job interviews, preparing to move where they move from like where they're currently residing, and all these other factors of stress. So I thought that this would actually cut down on some confusion by giving people who are looking for jobs a compiled list of where they should look. So the way it works is that you could just enter, as I said, an occupation and a city and get a result. I've made it using HTML and Bootstrap for the front end and Python and Flask for the back end. So here, for example, you could just enter something like this. So if you're a software developer and you're looking for a job somewhere in Vancouver, you could just hit search, and then the website basically returns this huge list, this huge table full of data. And you can just like click on the links. You can see where it leads. This one leads to a simply hired. And you can go down, you can see the salary, date posted, location, company, position. And that's really the main functionality of this website. It's the web scraping that it performs on other websites based on what inputs you give it for occupation and location, and in return it gives you this compiled list so that you don't ever need to look anywhere else, ever need to search for yourself on Google. You have one tool that just gives you all the job openings you need. Thank you.